Hi, it's Trisha from Quardev, and I'd love to chat with you about keeping your job search organized, what it means, and how to do it. Keeping your job search organized helps you track and measure your progress and identify what's working and what's not. If you're finding yourself in the position of looking for a new job, stay tuned for some helpful hints. Finding a process that works for you will be key to your success. Tracking your job search efforts on a spreadsheet is a great way to keep things organized. You can use the columns to log data such as company and job information, job posting links, and tracking tasks. This will serve as a quick reference for when and where you've applied and where you are in the process with each position. It can be a pain to set up, which is why we built a customizable one for you to use. You can find the link for it below. If you weren't a project manager prior to your job search, you may be able to claim so afterward. There are a bunch of moving parts, and keeping track of them all can prove challenging. It may be worth signing up for a project management tool such as Asana or Trello. You can find those links below as well. Both offer free versions and are user-friendly, with the ability to add tasks with due dates and attach files like cover letters and resumes. And speaking of cover letters and resumes, you'll be creating several of them since you should be updating each one to speak directly to the position you're applying for. Creating a folder specifically to house them all would be optimal, but make sure to consider your file naming conventions. Keeping these files organized in a folder and by role can help you cut down on some of the rewriting that can be expected. Looking for a new job is stressful, but there are some things that you can do to make it a little less so. Using the tools I've discussed will help you cut down on your stress and help you to feel more productive. The job you're looking for is out there, and we know you'll find it. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for more helpful tips, please feel free to reach out to our recruiting team at contact@quardev.com.